I wanted to show you my Peanuts Christmas train. I think it's called Christmas Wonderland. It's from Danbury Mint. So if you flip the switch to the one direction, it lights it up only. This has been in a box many years and it still works, kinda. The train's supposed to go from right to left, but the motor on this thing only seems to work when I have it facing backwards. So if you flip the switch to the other direction, the train will back up around the track. It's going a little slower than it originally did. Probably seized up a little bit. Yeah, then I have to give it a little push. You can do it. A little train that could go. Or maybe it can't. So anyway, I'm not going to leave it on that mode. Just have to show it go around one time and then turn it off. You find your nice parking spot for the train on this thing, and then just put the light on and let it be a visual only. Make it to the tunnel. Oh. Come on. Alright, I'm going to park you right here, train right in the middle. Danbury Mint, Christmas Wonderland, Peanuts Christmas train.